everyone. We're back for another episode introducing one of the newest brands here in the Philippines, Forthing. It is one of the subsidiaries of Dongfang Motors, and we're here to showcase some of their latest vehicles here in the Philippines in their headquarter branch in Cainta, Rizal. Let's look at it. This is the Forthing Friday. I believe there is already a unit in like this in Dongfang, and now they have their own now. So this is their brand. So I hope it will flourish. Later on, I will share the price as well, or I will show it to the screen. There's the seats. This one, pakiramdaman natin. Wow. Ganda. Oh. Iba din. May USB port siya, although you have to certain update this. So hopefully sa next version nila may Type-C na, but you can buy. Walang problem. Start, engine start siya. Push button pala. And then I like Forthing. And then meron din siyang sunshade for the roof. Very typical for the EV. But you can set na very premium nga siya. Tingnan natin. Yeah. USB port, ganda ng it's a 5-seater. Not bad for a very big legroom as well. And if you open it like this, may cover siya. Nandito yung tools mo. And then, ito yung exciting part dito na wala sa may spare tire siya. So for those who mabibili dito, make sure na meron kayong spare tire. Alam nyo kasi most of the EVs wala. Yeah, I can see tires as well, Not bad. Now let's move on to the Li PHEV. It's a van, again hybrid. Again, yung nakita mo yung headlights niya, iba. Ang ganda tingnan. In fairness, I like it. And their emblem. This is a plug-in hybrid. For some reason, for all of those vans, halos pare-pareho yung mags nila. And the suspension of it. Wow. So here you can really say na very luxurious feel siya. Oh, para ka nasa spaceship. And then, if you got the panel, oh my God, all throughout, hanggang sa dulo, meron. Okay, wow. Ito, nakikita na natin ito sa mga EV part. Touchscreen na mostly. And then, yung shift gear niya, iba na din. They have their keys here for not bad. Tapos, you can search on the area of this one. So, English versions na siya. Kasi iba kasi, hindi pa converted yung iba all throughout. Oh, ang ganda ng panel. Wow. To get the sound system. And then, ilagyan ng umbrella. Ilagyan na, and then dito yung lalagyan ng gas tank ko. Hindi sa gilid ng upuan, kundi dito. This is one of the first that I've seen. Wow. Kita mo naman how you can, I think this one, may panels din siya sa screen. The one thing that stands out is pwede ka mag-office dito, but not that office type. Meron din siyang pang sunshade. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-seater van for luxury premium. It's not bad, Pinapakita ko lang yung controls. And then yun, USB port. Again, ang mga phones na yan, puro Type-C na. So, pwede na magsiganda kung direct na. And then, pin dots from the keys. But dito, meron siyang button here. So, if it's open, laki ng space. Oh. Dito yung battery niya. Not bad. Very big luggage space. And then ito. Pwede mo ibaba pa to. Bigger legroom. Bigger luggage space. For 3.5, 3.4, that's not bad. Now we're at the Forthing S7. This one is quite really an amazing vehicle. Why I'm saying that? Kasi if you can see the vehicle itself, para siyang a mix of Xiaomi or a Tesla in a sports car vibe. Pero nag-stand out siya in its own way. Let's go check it out. Again, the Forthing brand is all electric. So it's kind of cool to see. Again, what stands out is the headlights. Wow. Open ko lang. I think here, it's a very sporty car. And here, makikita mo na agad how it was really designed. Futuristic feel. You feel every part of it. Very sleek. Napa leather. Ganda. Suabe. And above, no need to be flashy about it. Yung mga needs lang nandito na. Perfect for the car itself. And here's the seat. And maganda-ganda yung legroom. Wolfen is quite very familiar with the current models. If you open it, parang butterfly. And a very deep, ang ganda ng compartment. Parang sporty car feels niya. Ang ganda yung taillights niya. Tapos meron siyang button to open the trunk. This is what amazes me from here. Laki, may cover siya. Pwede mong move, and then yun yung compartment niya. Sobrang laki. Sobra. And then, you open this. Ang laki pa ng space for emergency and other stuff. Ang ganda. That's what amazes me with these cars. Pag kulang ka sa pwede nga tao dito. Then I'll close it. Yeah. It's really good. Oh.
Seen some good vehicles from Forthing. I see some really good stuff that is here, especially the Cal EV. Let's encourage everybody to stay to use and hopefully on their next vehicle to have it hybrid or hopefully full electric. But yeah, everything is and thank you Forthing Philippines for inviting us, and looking forward for the next episode, which I'll be showcasing now on my trip to another country. So stay tuned.